Hello students, I'm your teacher Berlyn and welcome to our Mathematics 7 Lesson 1. Set is a well-defined collection of objects or things. Each object of a set is called an element or a member. A set is usually denoted by a capital letter and its elements by small letters which are enclosed by braces. For example, if set B contains the elements blue, green, and red, then we write the set as B equals the elements blue, green, and red enclosed by braces. Now let's have another examples. Set A equals A, B, C, D, and E, and set C equals Anna, Maria, and Ben. As you can see, we wrote the set in capital letter and its elements or members in small letters. The symbol E is used to indicate that an object is an element or a member of the set. We use the symbol not E to indicate that an object is not an element of the set. Now let's use the same example. Set A equals A, B, C, D, and E. B is an element of set A, but F is not an element of set A, since we cannot find F among the elements in set A. Now how can we determine whether a set is well-defined or not? A set is well-defined if it can be easily identified. Otherwise, a set is not well-defined if the elements are not specifically identified. For example, the set of beautiful girls in your school. The set is not well-defined, since as we all know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We have different choices in identifying pretty faces. Anna may be beautiful to Benedict, but not to Mario. Let's have another example. The set of days in a week. The set is well-defined, since the days in a week can easily be identified. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now your turn. I will give you 10 seconds to answer these examples. The set of months in a year is well defined because it can be easily identified. We have 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The set of odd numbers less than 10 is also well defined because we can easily identify the odd numbers greater than 2 but less than 10. These are 3, 5, 7, and 9. The set of best students in grade 7 Euphoria is not well defined, since the word best can be interpreted differently by different people. Empty or null set. A set with no elements is called an empty or null set. It is denoted by the symbol open and close braces or a circle with a diagonal line through it. For example, the set of days that starts with letter B. This set is a null set. We have 7 days in a week, but as you can see, we do not have a single day that starts with letter B. The set of whales that walk. This set is also a null set. Obviously, all whales do swim, but they cannot walk. Subset of a set. The set A is a subset of the set B, written as A subset of B if every element of set A is an element of B. If B has at least one element that is not in A, then A is called a proper subset of B, denoted by A proper subset of B. Note, an empty set is a subset of every set. For example, find the subsets of the set J equals the elements 1 and 2. The given set has 2 elements, therefore it has 4 subsets. These are 1, 2, 1, 2, and the empty set. Now let's have another example. Set B equals the elements 3, 4, and 5. The set has 3 elements. Now let's list the subsets of the set B. These are 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3, 4, 5, and of course, the empty set. Universal set. The universal set is denoted by capital U. It is the set that contains all the elements of all the related sets, without any repetition of elements. All other sets are subsets of the universal set. For example, if A and B are two sets such as A equals 1, 2, 3 and set B equals 4, 5, 6, then the universal set associated with these two sets is given by U equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As you can see, the universal set contains all the elements of set A and set B. Cardinality. The cardinality of a set A, denoted by n of A, is the number of elements of the set. For example, the set of counting numbers less than 10. Let's say set A, the counting numbers less than 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are a total of 9 elements in a set. Therefore, the cardinality of the set is 9, since there are 9 elements. Let's try another examples. I will give you 10 seconds to answer. For number 1, the cardinality of the set is 12, since there are 12 months in a year. For number 2, the cardinality of the set is 5, since there are 5 even numbers greater than 4 but less than 15. These are 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Once again, this is Ma'am Berlyn, your math teacher. Goodbye and see you on our next class.